Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing new mirrors for the Camaro. These are going to be black mirrors, making it a lot better and match with the hood, with the wing, and with the door handles. It's going to be the exact same thing. There's not any different other than the color, and this is also going to be better in the future in case I want to put carbon fiber inlays on the mirrors. It's not going to look weird with the black and white. In this case everything's black, just in case I want to take that extra step. As of now, I'm just happy to go ahead and make it match with the hood, with the wing, with the door handles and stuff like that. It's gonna look very good. So anyway, I bought these on Amazon. They were like 90 bucks. It was actually a gift. But anyway, let's just go ahead and do the unboxing. Everything's simple. The beauty of this video is that I'm gonna show you how to install one mirror, and it's the exact same for the second. So one of the mirror I'm gonna go over, but the other one I'm probably just gonna time lapse, get a little bit of footage, but it's the exact same thing. The unboxing is gonna be the exact same way. They're gonna be the exact same thing. So with this one, the first one, we get it packaged like this, bubble wrap, and that's all for that one. And we get a little cover. Now the color is already painted black, but what I've heard is that if you need this as a replacement for a black Camaro, it's not going to be the exact match. That's what I've heard from a guy that had a black Camaro. He said that the color doesn't match, so keep that in mind. I'm doing it because mine's just a generic black color. You shouldn't be able to tell because the hood and the the mirror is not as close, so you wouldn't be able to tell. But this is the color. Now it's not the best perfect finish. I do see some swirls and stuff, so it's not the best paint, it's not the best finish. So but hopefully it should look better on the should look good on the car. Let's put this bubble wrap right here, and the connections, it should retain everything, the same functions as the OEM. So you are talking about the heated mirror, I think so, and I think it dims down whenever you get a beam, but I'm not sure if the OEM does that anyway. But I can double check, and as always guys, I'm going to put the link to this product on the comments. And again, I'm starting to put affiliate links. What that means is that I get a little bit of commission off of these products. Every time you buy using my link, you're helping this channel. And again, as of now, once I know if I recommend it or not, I would be honest with you. I'm not going to try to get commissions on stuff that I don't recommend. I'll leave it there in case you still want to do it. But if I say I don't recommend it, I'm going to feel it from my heart, and that's going to be the honest truth. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and install this. Like I said, we're going to install it on one door, and then on the second one we'll do a little time lapse, and then we'll be done. It should be a simple but a really good installation, and it should improve the car's looks. So anyway, let's go ahead and start with the installation. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and start with our 7. And that 7, we're gonna find the screws. Alrighty, so we're gonna pull this lever, and right on this corner right here, you have to just press it there and take this thing right there. I do have some carbon fiber on them. They look pretty cool, but it's a minimal thing because no one's really gonna see it. Anyway, there you're gonna have a 7. So I just put something in the bottom, as you just saw. I didn't disconnect anything, so it's gonna be easy. All we have to do is take this off, and then this is going to be the harness for the mirrors. So I'm just going to stay over here, but as you saw, I didn't disconnect anything, so even easier. I'm going to go ahead and start taking this apart. So again, this is a 7. Let's see. Okay. Pull it, and let me just disconnect them from the speaker. And these speakers are really good. I do want to make a video of all my sound system, my full detailed one of all the speakers, all the amps, everything. So stay tuned for that. Just take some time, and been pretty busy lately. So, but anyway, this is the harness for the mirrors. We have a little clip we're gonna take off, and just like that, the mirror harness is out. Now what we can do is push this through, and there you go. That's taken care of. Now what we have to do is get the screws for the mirrors, plug this back in, and that's it. Alright, so we're going to take this rubber part out, and we're also going to take this little sticker, just put it somewhere else. I'm putting it to the side. Now this is where our number 10 comes in. I try to get it long because you do have to get it through a stem. So if you get a normal one like this one, probably won't work. So make sure you have that socket, and make sure that when you get the nut out, you don't drop it. You can drop it and it'll land somewhere in the bottom, but it's better if you don't. Here's one, and let me just go through it real quick. There's two right here and one right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one out now. And then finally do the last one, but you want to hold the mirror from the other side. Losing time, I'm fading fast. We're gonna go ahead and get this out through this hole right here. So I'm just gonna put the mirror out. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something. So here we're gonna take these things out. It's just covers. And these nuts, we're gonna take them out. Now I am gonna use the OEM nuts instead of these. They have better, there's like wider surface area to grab into, so I guess this is a good replacement if you don't have anything of the equipment. So we're just gonna take these off like this and do everything right in reverse, just like we took it out. So I'll be in the car again. Alright, like I said, same process. So using the OEM, I'm gonna go ahead and hold the mirror, check out where it is at, and install them. Let's find the cables. And there you go. And now we just plug it in. Just like that. And now we're just gonna click our panel in and test it out. Make sure the mirror works as of adjusting and all that. And then we'll go ahead and put the bolts back in, and that's it. But right before I forget, we need to put our speakers. So I'm doing that right now. Then we're just gonna push it back into place. Alright, so we have it right there. I'm gonna try to reach out. I'll point the camera right there. So let me see. So, and it works. There you go, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the bolts on the door panel, and that should be it. And again, 5 bolts in total. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll go to the next one, which again will be a time lapse because it's gonna be the exact same thing. Give it about a week, review it, give you my final thoughts, and finish up the video.
Just like the street lights Let's lit this town like a fire in a blaze. Gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
Alright guys, well this is the end product. Let me know what you think. Think I did a good job? Or do you think it looks worse? I think it looks good. It matches the hood, which I said dirty. Matches the hood, side skirts, the wing. I liked how it looked. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and, of course, wash it, drive it for about a week, and come back with my final review. Well, alright guys, well this is the final product. As you can see, it looks very good, very nice. That mirror just makes a whole difference. It matches with the door handle. It looks very good. It looks OEM, and it matches all the black in the car. So I'm very happy with this purchase. Now it does tend to vibrate sometimes a little bit more than the stock, but it's nothing huge, nothing big. I still have the same visibility that I did before, but if anything, just that little vibration is the only different from the OEM. But let me know what you guys think. I loved how it looked. Gives it a very aggressive look, and everything just looks complete. And we're gonna go ahead and just close this video. Well, there you guys have it. This is the mirror replacement for 5th gen Camaros. This modification that I did is not because the other mirrors were bad, like I said. It's just to make it look more aggressive with the black. However, what I've heard is that the black of these mirrors is not the same OEM black of the Camaro. So just make sure if you do want to buy it for a black Camaro as a replacement, you might need to do a little bit of paint matching. However, this will look good like on my white car, red cars, yellow cars, all this that you want to combine with black. It's going to be an awesome customization to your car. And anyway guys, without saying any more, don't forget to go to my Instagram. Here you're going to find content that does not make it to YouTube, such as pictures and upcoming videos. And also don't forget that if you do like this video in this channel and what is going through this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's something that's going to keep me motivated and help this channel to grow. But anyway guys, I'll see you on the next video.